Hello, thank you for choosing the Pegasus 2 Smart. This video will walk you through how to operate your remote control. We want you to fully enjoy your massage experience and relax like royalty. Let's get accommodated with the layout of the remote control. The center of the remote is where you'll find the direction dial. The inner circle allows you to make selections, while the up-down, left-right button moves you through the remote interface. The power button turns on and off the massage chair. The menu button opens to the main menu options. Pressing the menu button once will take you back to a previous screen. Pressing the menu button twice will take you back to the main screen. The 3D button adjusts the intensity of the 3D massage rollers. There are 5 levels of intensity. The feet adjust, back adjust, and feet extend buttons make size adjustments to your chair. The auto button is a shortcut to directly open the menu for the automatic programs. Up-down adjust buttons make adjustments in the manual mode. There are 9 main menu options: auto, manual, 3D massage, airbag, heat, zero gravity, rocking, tapping off, and settings. Let's start with auto. To access the automatic programs, use the direction dial to select the auto menu and press OK to select it. The Pegasus 2 Smart comes with 9 automatic programs: recovery, extend, relax, refresh, upper body, lower body, royal treatment, stress relief, and gentle care. Use the left, right, and up-down buttons on the direction dial to select the automatic program of your choice. You can also access the automatic programs by pressing the auto button on the remote. Once the chair has scanned your body, you can cycle through the automatic programs by pressing the auto button until you see the program of your choice. To create your own customized massage experience, use the manual mode. Select Manual. In the manual menu, there are 7 submenus: Mode, Part, Width, Speed, Roller, and Shoulder Extend. The Mode option lets you select your desired massage type. Choose from kneading, tapping, knocking, shiatsu, sync, and rhythm. Kneading has an additional submenu where you can select kneading up or kneading down. Rhythm mode will sync the movement of the massage rollers to any audio playing through the massage chair via Bluetooth. Part controls the location of the massage rollers on your back. For this example, we'll choose tapping. There are 3 options: whole, partial, and point. When you select a massage mode, the default option is whole, which covers your whole back and buttocks area. To focus on a small area, use the partial mode. Use the up-down adjust buttons to adjust the roller's location. You can see the location of the rollers by looking at the green circle on the LED screen. The rollers will move up and down a few inches in that selected area. To isolate just one point on your back, select the point option. Use the up-down adjust buttons to adjust the roller's location. Adjust the width of the massage rollers by selecting the width option. You can choose from wide to narrow. Adjust the speed of the massage rollers by selecting the speed option. You can choose from 6 levels of speed. Select roller to control the intensity of the foot rollers. There are 3 levels of intensity to choose from. You can also turn off the foot rollers during a massage program by selecting the off option. The Pegasus 2 Smart has shoulder fit technology. To expand or contract the shoulders, select Shoulder Extend. Select Out to widen or In to contract. You can also select right on the selection dial to expand or left to contract. To access the 3D automatic programs, select the menu button. Use the direction dial to select 3D massage. The 3D menu has 3 submenus, Mode and Force. The Pegasus 2 Smart comes with 3 automatic massage programs. You can choose from Deep Shiatsu, Breathe, and Revive. When in a 3D auto program, you cannot change the roller force. In any of the regular automatic massage programs or in a manual mode, you can control the strength of the 3D rollers. You can choose from 5 levels of strength. The airbag massage mode can be used on its own or with your customized massage mode. Select the airbag option in the menu. The airbag menu has 2 submenus, Part and Force. Select Part to isolate the airbags to a desired body part. You can select from full, arms and shoulders, legs and feet, or buttocks. You can also select more than one part at a time. Select Force to adjust the intensity of the airbags. There are 5 levels of intensity to choose from. You can also turn off the airbags during a massage program by selecting the Off option. Select Heat to activate heat therapy. You can turn the heat on and off. The red heat icon will appear when the heater is on. The Pegasus 2 Smart comes with 2 zero-gravity positions. In the zero-gravity menu, use the direction dial to select the zero-gravity position of your choice. The Pegasus 2 Smart can gently rock you in any manual mode or use just alone. You can turn the rocking on or off. During any of the massage programs, if you would like to turn the tapping off, but keep the rest of the massage program going, you can use the tapping off function. Scroll down to tapping off and select it. Here you can turn the tapping on or off. In the Settings menu, you can set the length of time for each massage, the language on the display, the Bluetooth options, the stretch intensity, control the base lights, access custom user programs, and control the voice command option. To adjust the length of time of each massage, select the time option. You can set your massage to 10, 20, or 30 minutes. To change the display language of the remote, select the language options. Here you can choose your desired language choice. To connect a Bluetooth device to the chair, like a phone or tablet, select the Bluetooth option. Here you can turn on and off the Bluetooth receiver. With the receiver on, follow your device's instructions to pair the device to your chair. Select Stretch to set the stretch intensity. Choose from gentle, medium, or strong. Select Light to turn on and off the ambient base lights. You can save 2 custom user programs. To save a program, go through the manual mode and select your favorite settings. In the manual menu, select User Program, choose either Program A or B and select Save. To start a save program, choose either A or B and select Start. Select Voice Command to turn on or off the voice command. For any massage mode, including the automatic programs, you can adjust the position of the backrest, footrest, and foot extension. You also have the option of just using the chair as a recliner. All the chair adjustment buttons are located on the bottom of the controller. The feet adjust buttons adjust the height of the footrest, while the back adjust buttons adjust the position of the backrest. The foot extension buttons slide the footrest in and out to adjust the chair for users of any height. The 3D button is a shortcut to adjust the strength of the 3D rollers when you are in any of the regular automatic massage modes or in a manual massage mode. You can choose from 5 levels of intensity. Unlike most massage chairs, all of our Daiwa chairs are programmed to stay in the reclined position after your massage is completed. We programmed our chairs this way because we want our customers to have the option of falling asleep after a massage. When your massage is completed, the remote will reset by beeping. Press the power button after the remote is done resetting to make any chair adjustments. You can adjust the chair position by pressing the chair adjustment buttons to your desired position. You can also return the chair to the sitting position by pressing the power button. We hope you enjoyed the Pegasus 2 Smart and relax like royalty.